Good afternoon, traders. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and tonight's free video I wanted to share some ideas with you in Nike. So Nike reported earnings 2 days ago, did very well on the report, and the stock is looking very good. I have always looked at things like this from the point of view that I don't particularly love buying new lifetime highs, but at the same time I tend to acknowledge the breakout, and I think that it's going to continue. So one strategy that I'm looking at is the area that we broke out from previously. You can see that 90 was a lot of work to get through. I have the April 2019 highs that are marked off right there at 90. The high right there in July was just shy of it. You can see that it's just been trouble getting through. Then we rally up into this little bit of a bullish flag pattern, breakout on the report, and now I think everything looks good for a move up into the 4 targets I've shown up above, ultimately ending, and actually this should be at 100, but ultimately working its way into the psychological price point of 100. But rather than coming in and buying the stock, one thing that I think will happen is that if we had to pull back, I would expect to find support where we broke out from. That level lands us, the high of that bar is 88.69. So I'm looking to the idea of selling the $89 puts. You know, you can still get about 80 cents for them in the 22-day out October monthlies, and since they have just reported, you can go out into the next month after that as well and go ahead and sell those puts if you're willing to take assignment of the shares and manage that as you would a stock position. But I really think if you approach it saying, I am willing to take assignment of this if it comes all the way back, and then I'm going to kind of see it through with that bigger picture in mind. If you're willing to do that, then embrace that type of risk, but then consider taking profits on the short option around 50%, maybe even less depending on your personality type. But I just think taking that type of risk heading into it on a stock that should have a good continuation higher is a good use of capital, and it's something that I'll be looking for over the next 2 to 3 months. So I hope that's helpful, and we'll see you at the next free video.